doing very well to deal with the Pharaoh that was getting healed up. He still has the barrage up. He's still on the point, but C9 will retake the point. Now this is dangerous.
He's hunting Reaver. Reaver gonna turn around and gets Reaver once again. Esper's on his tail, and he's damage boosting him. Can Seagull do it? Can he pull it out for his team? 70% to go. He's full for barrage.
Combo in action. A 5 kill coming out from LG.
I think that was 6. That was cool.
That was, oh my goodness, patience paying off. Seagull held that for us for so long.
We got him.
Sorry, Uncle. We should focus on Mercy first. Yeah,
Combo's dead?
I need help on third.
Thank you for subbing. I truly appreciate it. I hope you enjoy this type of gameplay. This is what I focus on in this stream, kind of hardcore-ish games. You know, stuff like that. That type of thing is like what I like to focus on in this stream. So if you want to see that type of content, please, this is my sell-up phase. I really should have. TF2 style.
Oh, let's go.
Play of the game.
Secure crap, Widow.
Double
Punch that booty.
Survival of the fittest.
I mean, Seagull did not die. He actually didn't die that whole game. I think I just watched him the entire game. And with that Harmony Orb, this is really the dominant meta in Overwatch today. And I certainly do expect that Genji will eventually see a small nerf.
Got him. Cooks, you're rambling, bro. I'm here. Let's do it.
No one
I won't be stopped. I'm the battle Symmetra.
Yeah, just keep him alive. Manages to get back around there, switches back across, should be able to deal with Buds. Has got his ultimate available, pops it down, tries to launch himself. Oh, he managed to get Buds. Well, man simply the Dragon Strike, and he gets Coolmat. They rocket launching himself up there. And well, you know what? When you're that good a player, and then they give you the damn Bastion with it all.
I could have canceled it on the wall climb, but no matter what, I had 20 HP. I had to kill him on that, or else. Because I had 24, if I'm right. Behind you. Oh, they're walling, huh? Is he gonna see me come over the top? Gotta push this cart.
they're not working the goal on a time.
Oh, nice job to spot the teleporter there as well and pop right back over the side. Seagull ready again for another attack. Has a barrage ready if necessary. We see a couple of reses coming out there. Esper along with the sound barrier for Luminosity as they try to stand on the attack point. Good job by Seagull to take out Harry Hook, Tailspin, Taimu, and Chipsagen around the back. 5 members down for Envious.
Seagull absolutely destroying, getting in the back, getting the quad kill.
See if I can get a kill. Oh, we can, all right. This guy trick shot, and you just use your hook for a trick shot. You're dead. Too bad I had to reload to kill that guy. And now you know why Genji, Symmetra, Zarya is such a good combo.
Play of the game.
Fire at will.
Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
That'd be pretty crazy. Oh, that's a see Mercy Widow Roadhog. Is he gonna chase me here? Is he going over the top? Yeah, someone's here.
Double.
Alright, I don't know if anyone just saw what I did there, but I'm pretty proud of that. Because not all the rest of the kills, but the very first kill that started it, my friend got hooked, and so I ran forward with deflect and tanked the hook for him by deflecting it into the Roadhog, and the Roadhog almost one-shot himself, which gave me the resets to kill everybody.
Commence attack.
And now we're gonna sword in. There we go. Had to kill the Mercy first so she doesn't get res. That way, it's the only way they can stop the snowball. And that's the game, man. 117.
Victory.
1 minute, 17 seconds.